What are you up to, Nikki?
Oh, I'm trying to set up my new laptop. It's my first one.
Sorry that we're running behind. My cousin's gonna be here any minute with his van though, so sit tight.
You've never owned a computer before?
No, I've never touched one before. Due to my 3 years in the Siberian wilds, I've detached myself from technology.
Until now?
Well, I used a computer in an IT class in high school, but,
I see.
that's not me anymore. Those 3 years changed everything.
How do I know Nikki? I tutored him in algebra in 9th grade. He's bad at it, but he makes pretty good s'mores.
No, but we're really glad that you guys are here. I think we're gonna capture history. All right, guys. Jared will be here any minute. Get that camera ready and look alive. All right, get your veins circulating.
Actually, veins don't circulate. Blood does.
Exactly. Now you're thinking.
It's been 45 minutes. He hasn't answered one of your calls. Maybe you should call someone else.
Not gonna happen, buddy. He's the only one I know with a van, and besides, he's my cousin, so I'll do it for free.
Do you actually know how to navigate?
Oh yeah, yeah. There's the stars. If you put your hand in the sky on the North Star, you know where you are. That's the rhyme.
You said you had a van.
Yeah, I did.
Then why'd you bring a truck?
Because I don't have a van anymore. I had a van.
Okay, moving on. Everybody, this is Jared. And Jared, this is Nikki, our mission leader and navigator. And this is Nelson, our intelligence and videographer.
Hey, Jared.
Hey, Jared.
What happened to my van? Me and some friends got wasted and crashed it, so we just tossed it into the lake.
Watch out, right? Like with tornadoes, because they chase you. No, but we're gonna chase them. Oh, us, like the Tornadogs, right? Are you recording? This is your fault, Jared. We can't even fit the documentary crew in here because you brought a truck. I mean, there's a whole reason that I'm here.
Why are you here?
I don't know. I asked if I could be in the van with the headsets, like the prank shows. But the director said I have to just make sure to keep you guys in order.
Pretty sure I can handle the order around here.
But I'm glad they did because we wouldn't be stopping here. Booyah. So, when me and Nelson took out the loan, well, we spent most of it on you guys, but, well, more than most, but not all of it. Had a little bit left in the budget to treat ourselves. Pretty sweet, right? Have you eaten?
Before I got here, yeah.
What about you?
I had a late lunch.
I could go for a bite.
Exactly. We need some energy before we move on. I'll just let the documentary crew know.
computers all booted up and ready to go.
Let's get started then. Wasted a lot of time.
Oh, hold on. I gotta finish my milkshake first. I don't really get to have these. All right, we're on track for our first lead. I found the cords to a Cat 3 tornado on the east side of town.
Ooh, this is it. I can hardly even. Hey, whoa, ah! Jerry, what the hell?
My bad, dude. Chill out.
No. Are you drunk?
How would I even be drunk?
By drinking?
Oh, you are drunk.
I'm not even.
Just pull over. Pull over.
Oh my. Oh.
God.
Get back in the car, Corey.
No, you don't understand. I told you there'd be no drinking on this trip.
And you told me I would get paid.
I thought you spent on the budget.
I did. Come on, we're walking. Come on.
The mark is still several miles away.
There's still daylight. Get a move on. Come on. Okay, you take this and stay right here.
Thanks, man.
I had a little bit of the budget left. Yeah?
I doubt that.
Call your mom then.
Oh no.
What?
Oh, the milkshake. I gotta take a break.
Whoa. Whoa, what are you talking about?
Like, I need to take a break where nobody's watching.
This has to be a joke.
What if he's hurt or something? Shouldn't we go help him?
Spent 3 years in Siberia. I'm sure you can shit in the woods.
Okay. That's it, I'm going. Nikki? Something's happening.
Hold on. Oh God. It's right on top of us.
We've gotta get out of here, okay?
What you wanted, Corey? We gotta get it on video.
Yeah, we can do this.
Oh, come on, that's it, I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
I need a hospital!
Corey, when I find you, you're dead.
So, yeah. It's been a few days and, well, Nelson won't talk to me. He'll be in my biology class, so I'll see him soon. Nikki, though, nobody's really seen or heard of him since that day, but I mean, he's pretty residented, so he'll probably make it. Oh, but Jared, he got his license removed about 2 or 3 days ago. Yeah, he's just riding around on his bike now. You can catch him if you see him. Everything's pretty swell now, I guess. But please, guys, you better whip this into shape. I mean, I really need the money. I'm not saying I wasted my money on you guys, because, like, y'all did great, and, you know? No, but I don't think you're going to get anything else out of the Tornadogs. Looks like that ship has wrapped. I'm not really worried about the fact that we didn't get tornado footage. I mean, did you expect us to?